Hello guys, welcome to How to Rock It. In this video, I will show you how you can deduct your home office expenses in TaxSlayer when you are filing your US federal tax return. So remember guys, you can only take a home office deduction if you are self-employed or filing Schedule C. So TaxSlayer won't let you two employees deduct home office expenses on your federal return under normal rules after the Tax Cuts and Job Act. So where to enter it in TaxSlayer? In TaxSlayer, especially in web or the regular software, you mainly use Form 8.8 to 9 business use of home or the simplified worksheet within your Schedule C entries. So first of all, I will tell you the regular method which you can call the standard method. Currently, I can't just log into this taxslayer.com as I'm an Indian base. So only employees or the yes people who belongs to US only they can log into this website. As this for the login, these websites ask for phone number. So I just can't use my phone number because they only accept US based phone numbers, and then you will have to verify your OTP to log in. So just listen carefully what I say, and by this way you can actually do your work done. So in standard method you will have to go to federal, then on income, then profit and loss from business schedule C. So enter or create your business. So first of all you will have to create your business, then look for expense for business use of your home form 8.8 to 9. Then in the fourth step, you will have to choose that option and input your home office expenses, direct or indirect. So remember here, direct and indirect. In direct, you will repairs that only benefit your home office, and in indirect, utilities, rent, then mortgage percentage, etc. prorated by the business use percentage. Taxpayer will calculate and carry the deduction to your Schedule C. So here is the simplified method I will tell you. Like same path with the help of Schedule C. So what you will have to do, you will have to choose business use of home simplified method worksheet, and then enter the total square footage of the home office, like up to 300 square foot and total home size tax there. Then calculate the simplified deduction $5 into square foot. In that way, you can do it. But remember guys, the simplified worksheet still appears under the Schedule C business use of home section. It does not deduct elsewhere in TaxSlayer. There are some key eligibilities, like the space must be used exclusively and regularly for business. Then if you are not self-employed but have a side business, you report on Schedule C, you can claim the deduction for that business home office space, and you cannot deduct home office expenses as a regular to employ on federal taxes. So except uncommon exceptions like certain government officials or reservists. So that's the information about this. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.